This playbook focuses on reopening museums and cultural attractions and succeeding in the post-COVID era with thoughtful digital tools. Following widespread closures in March 2020, many institutions are now in the early phases of reopening. Digital tools are essential for addressing new challenges in admissions, the visitor journey, and recovering visitors and revenue. Cuseum has supported the cultural sector through 75,000+ webinar views and contact with 500+ expert voices. They've launched over 2 million digital membership cards and 100+ museum apps, prioritizing contactless and engaging experiences. This video will explore new challenges and consumer expectations driven by COVID-19. We'll examine the transforming visitor journey and unpack contactless experiences, considering questions around visitor engagement, social distancing, and safety for both visitors and employees. Key elements for welcoming visitors back are safety and comfort. Organizations must rethink service design to enforce social distancing, limit physical touchpoints, and manage risk. Digital tools like membership cards, timed tickets, and mobile tours are crucial for the contactless age. The visitor journey has 3 phases: pre-visit, visit, and post-visit. Pre-visit involves visitors researching safety measures. The on-site visit requires seamless, contactless experiences. Post-visit is about managing online reviews and ensuring a positive overall experience. Visitors currently encounter many physical touchpoints, including ticketing kiosks, payment terminals, physical cards, shared audio guides, and touchscreens. To minimize risk, museums are moving away from traditional touchpoints like wall labels, text panels, guided tours, touchscreens, interactives, and the exchange of physical materials. Major risks include virus spread from shared equipment or close proximity among visitors. Overcrowding causes anxiety and legal liability due to risks to employees. Lack of preparedness can severely impact attendance and revenue. Physical touchpoints will be phased out in favor of digital mobile and, bring your own device solutions. The rise of contactless experiences and technology is making purchasing, admissions, and learning possible through personal mobile devices. New service design will encourage and enforce social distancing. A mobile-first strategy offers a solution to span the entire visitor journey. A mobile app can prepare guests, ensure a positive on-site experience, and engage post-visit. It provides health information, maps, learning experiences, and donation opportunities in the palm of their hand. Digital membership cards are a convenient and contactless replacement for traditional cards. They streamline the membership fulfillment process, saving time and money, allowing organizations to focus on personalized interactions with their membership base. Digital ticketing is becoming the norm in entertainment and transportation, making mobile tickets increasingly popular and contactless. This is likely to become the standard in the cultural sector as well. Digital guest passes activate the referral network, allowing members to invite friends and family easily. This is a critical tool for attracting new members and donors, helping rebuild audience and attendance post-closure. Audiences are highly receptive to new instruction now. Reopening is the ideal time to introduce new technology and experiences. Consumers expect new protocols like mask policies and contactless payments, offering an opportunity to capture their full attention with new offerings. Consumer expectations and digital literacy have evolved significantly. Before the pandemic, the fear of alienating less technologically literate patrons was a deterrent to moving mobile first. Now, the world has adapted to the digital era, making mobile solutions less likely to be a deterrent. When museums closed, many focused on producing digital content. This content can now be repurposed for a mobile app upon reopening. Creating content was once a major hurdle to launching a mobile app, but now you likely have the materials needed for a contactless on-site experience. In the pre-visit phase, visitors research safety precautions. Promote the steps you're taking for a safe experience. Consider timed ticketing for better capacity management, reduced interactions, and improved understanding of attendance patterns. Monitor review sites like TripAdvisor and Facebook for any concerns. The on-site phase involves contactless experiences, like digital memberships and tickets. Provide general orientation through a mobile engagement app for visitor information. Manage guest flow with physical and digital tools, and use mobile platforms for content and engagement. Encourage donations via smartphones. For the post-visit phase, follow up with recent visitors via thank you or follow-up emails. Encourage members to leave reviews, as they are your biggest supporters. Focus on the visitor and member experience to turn them into advocates, perhaps offering digital guest passes to encourage referrals. Safety is the #1 priority for staff and visitors. Communicate your commitment clearly to make visitors feel comfortable. Despite challenges, the pandemic has created new opportunities for enhanced visitor journeys and accessible learning resources, making the cultural sector stronger and more resilient. Start a task force to dedicate focus to current challenges. Invest in training for frontline staff, as cultural organizations are now part of the hospitality business. Never stop learning and adapting, taking incremental steps to pivot and modify solutions. Unusual times call for creative solutions and innovation. Reopening will present challenges, but various approaches and solutions can help. We hope this playbook aids in addressing new obstacles and opportunities presented by COVID-19. Remember, the cultural sector community is a valuable, supportive resource, and we are all in this together. Cuseum helps organizations drive engagement with digital tools, offering solutions for mobile apps, digital membership cards, and data insights. Our platform is trusted by leading organizations globally. Feel free to reach out to Cuseum at hello@cuseum.com with any questions.